Look at one here. Look at the other one here. The window are closed. These beds are the same color with her clothes. Look at it where? Let me zoom it. Look at it. Don't cry. Don't cry. I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do again. Calm down. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. God. I don't know what to do again. Look at Jesus. Look at the kind of clothes she's wearing. These ones are looking like her clothes. Which kind of problem is this? Yeah, this one is Jesus. There are two. There are two. There are two. There are two. Ha. What should I do right now?